Good morning.
Good morning!
Finally, after 2 days of adventure and all of you been to Umlingla, we are heading back towards civilization. That's Leh city. We'll be doing 300 plus kilometers today. It's all tarmac. It's all tarmac, pure tarmac, no off-roading. Most probably there won't be any water crossings as well. Should not take more than 6 hours of saddle time. Plus stop for lunch, fueling, or maybe some regroups. That will do. We'll start from here. We take this road. We go to our first checkpost, which is Loma Bend. Then we go ahead and stop at a place called as Neoma. We'll just stop there for like refreshments. There are a couple of restaurants. Feel free to eat anything, have tea, coffee, whatever you want. 15 minutes of stop.
And Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi?
You will get normal network there.
No toilet.
And? Okay.
Wait, don't get excited. Then you start from there. We stop at a place called as Chumathang. On the left side there is a big restaurant. We'll stop again 5-10 minutes of rest. Then continue from there. Our lunch is planned at a place called as Thikse Monastery.
Monastery.
It is 15-20 kilometers before Leh city. On the right hand side of the road you will find, on top of a mountain you will find a monastery. Just in opposite to the monastery's parking there is a restaurant called as Chamba restaurant. We will have a lunch there. Again after the lunch we will continue our ride towards a place called as Saspol. What it is?
Saspur?
The name of the resort is Ule Eco Resort. Ule Eco Resort. It will come on your left side. So if you remember on the first
Yok, bir mekan.
acclimatization day ride, we went to a place called as Confluence. So we crossed airport, continue straight towards Kargil, keep going straight. You will find the same spot on your left side, that is Confluence. Continue straight another 30 kilometers. A place will come, a place known as Basgo. 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 Saspol is just after Basgo. And there is a big turn. There is a big right U-turn. So like people, they don't actually see that resort. It's on the left side, quite a big property. So once we are in network, I'll drop a pin of that particular resort. Right? Couple of mistakes we did yesterday.
Dün biraz
Keep some
hata
safe
yaptık
distance
diyor.
between two motorcycles. At least
Güvenli
20 to
mesafeyi koruyun
25
diyor.
feet of safe distance should be there between two motorcycles.
Araya mesafe koyun diyor.
Paul. Sean. First thing is keep some distance. There is nothing which is getting distributed just behind me.
Yeah.
The gas is not for sale.
I only go close sometimes with the video. Try and get it running the video.
Guys, see, don't be too close, and if you're riding too close, be at a normal speed. Don't overspeed. And if somebody is braking, don't panic. Hold on to your rear brake, front brake, clutch, gear, everything. No. Slow down naturally, gradually, and stop. At least maintain 3 motorcycle distance between you and the rider ahead of you. Okay? So it's all going to be roads today. Do not overspeed. Be at your comfortable pace. We are not going to ride fast today. Okay? The idea is to reach the destination, not to reach the destination as soon as possible. Okay?
Okay.
And yesterday, I see a lot of you guys are still riding on the right side of the road. The roads are narrow. The trucks, the cars, the mistake is on you if you're riding on the right hand side of the road.
Sağda sürmeyin diyor.
Okay, please
Görüyorum
don't
diyor.
be on the right side of the road.
Solunda durun diyor.
Okay, especially on corners, on turns,
Hızlı gitmek
junctions.
gitmek amacıyla.
Always remember on your left. Okay, now that we'll be riding on highway, you'll see a lot of truck movements, a lot of vehicles coming by. So be very careful. Do not overspeed. Be at your comfortable pace. We are not going to leave you behind. You don't have to catch up with anybody.
What do you mean by overspeed?
Be at your comfortable pace. If you're comfortable riding at 60, ride at 60. If you're comfortable riding at 40, ride at 40. Do not push yourself too much. If just because somebody else is doing 100, 120, not necessarily you'll have to do the same. Okay? And we are not going to do 100, 120. The max we are going to do is anywhere between 80 to 90 is what we are going to do. And we do that speeds because we know for the fact, okay, how it is going to be. And we have done this multiple times. And why we are insisting on this is because we have seen a lot of casualties, especially on this highway, when people get overconfident.
Senin için güvenli hız neyse o hızda git diyor. Millet
Which side of
120'de
the road do you
gidebilir.
ride?
Sen 90 ise 90, 60 ise. Yes.
So someone will be following us at the pass.
See, as I said, the
Always,
Hilux is always going to be there. Okay? So we are not going to leave you behind. Don't worry. You're not going to get lost anywhere. We'll make sure we take care of you. We'll make sure all of you reach the hotel safely. That is the end goal.
Hı.
Yeah?
Yes.
Any doubts?
Nothing special.
Anything and not special?
I got it. Oh.
What's the name of the restaurant?
Don't ask.
For lunch. Chambra.
Chamba.
Chamba.
Free oxygen. It's important? Good.
Yeah.
You will get Wi-Fi and everything in that.
Nerede?
Okay? Cool. We'll leave in 5 minutes. Yeah? Get up.
Okey. Vay kuşa gel.
Kartalı gördünüz mü?
Hala uçuyor.
Bak,
Evet.
gidiyor tarafa.
Buradan ayrılıyoruz.
Bak orada.
Her şey tamam.
Muhteşem bir şey.
Gökyüzünde kartallar uçuyor. Biz de yeryüzünde falan yapacağız. Abartma yeter. Evet, her şeyimiz hazır. Gençliğimiz var. Bu sefer sakin sakin süreceğiz. Adam da öyle dedi zaten. Hadi hazır olalım. Görüşmek üzere.